How to fix iPhone won't charge. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and inspect the charging cable and the adapter. So, see if the charging cable is frayed wires, bent connectors, or discoloration, and if yes, then you might need to change the cable. Also, make sure you are using Apple certified cable and charger. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then plug into a different power source, such as if you are using a power bank or computer USB, plug it directly to a wall socket. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then clean the charging port, as sometimes if the charging port is dirty, then it might lead to not charging issue. So if you see lint, dust, or debris on your charging port, then gently clean it using a toothpick or soft brush. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on battery and then on battery health and charging. Further, tap on the optimized battery charging option you see there, and then if you see charging paused, it will resume automatically later. Also, go back to settings and tap on general and then on software, and further install the latest iOS version, as often Apple fixes charging related bugs. And in general, again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone option you see there at the bottom, and then tap on reset and then on reset all settings. This will just reset your system settings like Wi Fi, Bluetooth, etc. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then go back to settings and then tap on battery and then on battery health and charging. If it says surface or the battery health is below 80%, it might not charge properly. In that case, you can contact Apple for a battery replacement. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can try to force restart your iPhone, as force restarting the iPhone clears software glitches that might block charging. Also, if your iPhone is too hot, then charging might be paused due to temperature, or if there is liquid detected in your iPhone, then it might pause the charging too. So, see if that is the case. And if not, then you might have to take your iPhone to an Apple store or authorized repair center, and they will further check your charging port, your battery, or power IC. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone won't charge. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.